What's good? Welcome back to another video on the channel. If your first time here, welcome back to the Diddy's Playhouse. Today, I will be telling you exactly how to glow up ASAP so you can live life on easy mode, because right now, you're playing hardcore mode and hey, it ain't fun playing hardcore mode, you know. Alfred down there is always dry, you know what I mean? Currently around 8:30 p.m. at night, so I can't be too loud or else my mom's gonna come in and she's gonna kick my ass. Literally, I'll be on the streets. I might have to live at your place. I'm gonna try and explain to you exactly what to do to stop looking like a visual jump scare. Alright, let's get it. Also, real quick before we get into this video, bro, I'm running out of video ideas, bro. Hey, if you got any video ideas for me, send it to me in the comments, because genuinely I'm running out of video ideas. And also, I was thinking, right, because you know the whole channel is based around looksmaxxing and you know improving yourself. I was thinking, not now, but maybe later in the future, I might actually start a paid school community, which is like, you know, you can get in, you gotta pay, but if you get in, I can help you, you know, looksmax and stuff. Because bro, your boy trying to make some money. You know, I want to pull up to my school reunion in a Ferrari, not in my Nissan Pulsar 2004, bro. I'm trying to pull up in a Ferrari. So yeah, let me know if you're interested in like a paid program that I start. So how we're gonna do this video is we're gonna start from top to bottom, okay? So we're gonna fix the top, then we're gonna go all the way down, and yeah, we're gonna fix that. Let's do it. So first up, the first thing on top is your hair. If you've got a cooked hair, I'll restart it. God damn, okay, but if your haircut is cooked, bro, ain't nobody saving you. The haircut is literally the easiest way to get some style points. Everyone grows hair, unless you're balding. I'm sorry, but hey, if you've got hair on your head, easiest way to get style points. If you've got a big head shape like me, get something that puts volume at the front of your head. If you've got a flat head at the back, get something that puts volume in the back of the head, aka like a slick back or something. But if you've got a big back of the head, like my dome at the back is so big, I don't know what happened, but like, bro, my head has been stretch res in the back, bro. If I get a slick back, it will look terrible, but now I usually get a fade. This is a mid taper. This is a mid taper fade. It's not low taper, because you know, what do you know what's massive?
Oh, shut up, nigga.
That's not nut, bro. What? Yo, what is this stain? Bro, wait, what the frick is these stains? I've never seen these before. If you've got a head shape similar to mine, definitely try a mid taper or low taper fade, or you know, just try a fade in general. They cost a lot of money. They cost more than the average haircut. But bruh, this is what I used to look like. Brother, this is what I used to look like without getting a fade. It looks terrible. So yeah, definitely would recommend getting a fade. If you want to try a perm, go for it. But bro, in my opinion, perms just look like you got pubes on your head. But yeah, don't cheap out on your haircut. Don't go to an unlicensed Pakistani barber. I used to go to an unlicensed Pakistani barber. Bro only charged me $15 for a skin fade. But the only problem was, he only gave me a skin. He forgot the fade. So he literally just cut my hair. He didn't even give me a freaking fade. Bro, I'm watching this video back. That barber needs to get jail time, bro. This guy literally committed criminal records on my head. Look at the depression on my face, bro. Alright, next up, eyebrows. I don't really care if you've got thick or thin eyebrows. It's kind of cringe how people are like, yo, you need thick or thin eyebrows. You can't control it. What you can do is shave the middle of your head. Not the head, not the head, this. Shave this, bro. If you've got like bushes growing in the middle of this, brother, you're cooked, bro. You looking like actor of a horror movie, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. You looking like something straight out of the Terrifier 3. If you've got wide eyes, right? If your eyes look like Sid the Slot, if you've got like wide eyes that literally looks everywhere, like you got them 360 eyes, if your eyes are this wide apart, get glasses, because genuinely my eyes are wide apart. If I take off my glasses, I finna look like a chameleon. That's how wide my eyes are. So that's why I wear glasses a lot, and also because I'm actually blind, so I need glasses. But yeah, if you've got wide eyes, wear glasses. I know some of you boys send me your selfies, and damn, you guys' eyes are like still social distancing, bro. COVID ended 3 years ago. So yeah, if you've got wide eyes, bro, yo, I need some glasses, because this makes it seem like your face is symmetrical, that there's no, you know, extra space on your face. I mean, if you got a big nose, just get your money on point so you can go get your nose surgery. I can't really do much about that. Teeth, bro. If you look like you just ate someone's ass, yo, I gotta shut the. You need white teeth. Easiest way to get white teeth, use whitening strips, bro. I've been saying this over and over again. You guys don't listen. You guys keep messaging me, how do I get white teeth? Bro, use whitening strips, but also stop drinking stuff that makes your teeth yellow. If you keep drinking Kool-Aid and piss, of course your teeth is gonna be yellow, bro. If you keep eating that go, of course your teeth gonna be yellow. Stop drinking Fanta and Coca-Cola and stuff like this, bro. Drink water. I don't drink sugary drinks. I don't remember the last time I drank a fizzy drink. I literally, it's been like 2-3 years. I don't drink soda. You want to see how white my teeth is? Watch this. Damn! on. The only thing you can see is my teeth. I'm sorry, I suffer from mild autism. Grow some facial hair if you can. Trust me, it makes a big difference. This is what I used to look like. Bro, I was messed up. This is what I used to look like without facial hair. And the final one I want to tell you, I've been doing this for the past like 6 months or so. Use mouth tape, because I noticed that whenever I sleep, this is how I sleep. If you sleep with your mouth open, bro, you're cooked. Literally, your jaw finna go like this. When you sleep with your mouth open, you breathe in so much oxygen that your mouth just goes inwards. Like, leave some oxygen for us, bruh. So yeah, wait, you know what? I'll just show you right now. Let me quickly show you what mouth tape I use. Also, don't mind the socks, you know what I mean? Got them cherry blossom socks, you know what I mean? Yes, sir. Anyways, I'll show you. So, where the light at? Okay, so this is where I sleep. Yeah, don't mind this. I still gotta clean this. This is from the mouth tape. Okay, where is it? So yeah, this is the mouth tape that I use. You see that? Damn, she bad. Look, you see? So this is the mouth tape I use. I've been using this for a while. Bro, trust me, banger. It literally closes your mouth shut, so then you don't breathe from your mouth, because if you breathe from your mouth, your jaw is gonna go. It ain't a good look, trust. Next up, we're finna talk about the body. Let me show you something. Let me tell you something. For me, I still gotta lose this, so just chill out. Okay, don't flame me. I'm making a glow up video, but I'm fat myself. I still gotta lose this, but I'm on my cut, so it should be good. Yo, any ladies, if you're watching, yo, hit me up, bruh. Here's my number down here. Hit me up. But yeah, body makes a big difference. Oh, yo, the cut's working. Look at this. Getting a good body takes the longest though, so yeah, put the work in the gym, because once you get a good body, bro, it makes life so good, because you can walk down the street and wear some tight clothes and people are like, damn. Also, boys, look at the legs. Look, because I be cutting, right? Look at the legs. Watch this. Oh! Yeah!
Oh, he needs some milk.
Oh, bro, this is sick. A whole bunch of men watching, bro. What am I doing? But yeah, you probably don't want to hear me rant about body, so you already know, just hit the gym. If you look like this, I would say try and just lose that weight, or if you want to, you know, just bulk up, just do it. Don't be this. This is the worst. This skinny fat is probably the worst. And I'm gonna tell you right now, it ain't gonna be easy. You're gonna have to hit the workout every single time. You know what's funny? I'll show you. Hold on. I never actually showed you my room, did I? Look, I should probably, yo, you want to see a room tour? I'll give you a quick room tour as well. But look at this. I have not missed a single workout. Well, ignore these, you know, just ignore these. But I've basically not missed a single workout in the past 3 months. Almost. Okay, I've missed a few, but almost. But yeah, the gym is the hardest bit. So if you want to really elevate, hit the gym. Because if you're chopped in the face, if you look like someone just took a shit on your face, if your body's a 10 out of 10, you're instantly like at least a 7. Anyways, I'm gonna give you a quick room tour. So I got my computer here. I got ashy skin. I got ashy skin, bruh. I literally got ashy skin. That's why I use this. Okay, I got my dream car. One of my dream cars right here. I got my cars right here. I love cars. You know, I love me my cars. What else? Got my Bible there. Jesus is King. Got my Bible right there. Got some books that I never read, but I just got it in the room, so then when the husk come over, I can act like, you know, I'm a professor, Professor Diddy. Got more cars. Freaking love cars. Look at this. Sheesh. Got some clones. I'm not gatekeeping any clones, so if you guys want to see what I use, these are the clones, the main clones I use. Got my Dior right there. Got my Hugo Boss. Got my YSL. Yes, sir. Then got my shoes right here. It's a bit of a mess, but got my shoes. Indeed. Got my wardrobe. I can't bring the camera too far because it's finna disconnect, but got my wardrobe. Got my computer that I'm recording with. Ooh. Yeah, this is my room. Room's actually pretty small. But anyways, let's get back to the video. Okay, next up, if you're struggling with bad skin, if you've got acne breakouts and stuff like this, stop eating stuff that creates it. That's all, folks. Stop eating stuff that creates No, not cum. Sebum. Stop eating stuff that creates sebum. Sebum is basically oil on your face that, you know, your face gets oily, and whenever your face does get oily, that's when acne comes out, because the oil clogs the pore of the acne, and then the acne goes. I'll give you an analogy, right? So basically, the acne is right here. The more oil you have in your face, the more it gets clogged, and then the acne starts building up, and then once once the oil builds up too much, the acne comes out. You see that? So yeah, that's how acne works. So basically, stop eating stuff that creates a lot of oil on your face. Stuff like whey protein, dairy. I was allergic to a lot of dairy, so whenever I ate whey protein, bad acne. And yeah, stop touching your face. You don't gotta touch your face. Stop putting your phone on your face because it's literal germs. And drink a lot of water. I literally had to get a gay bottle, a pink bottle. I literally go to my gym using a pink bottle, bro. The hus is like, why are you using a pink bottle? Are you gay or something? Are you like... That's what the hus says, but I use this pink bottle because it's a 2-liter bottle. It's the biggest bottle I could find. And always drink water, because that's literally the best thing you can do to fight acne, because whenever your skin is dehydrated, that's when oil gets crazy, you know? Alright, for jewelry, I got you, my boy. Hold on. Jewelry is hella important, right? Because it makes you aesthetically pleasing, more aesthetic. This ice on my neck, guess how much this cost? $3. And you know who made this? The little Chinese kids in the Shein factory. You want to know how much this iced out watch cost me? $49. It's a freaking Casio, bro. Get some fire jewelry. Of course, once I, get rich and stuff, then I'm finna get a Rollie, of course. But for now, gonna have to rock the Casio, because that's all your boy can afford. If there's any hus watching, yo, my DMs are always open. Gee, look at the back, bro. Ooh. Your boy looking like Bane from Batman. You merely adopted the dark. I was born in it.
You merely adopted the dark. I was born in it.
Alright, bro. Next up, we got style. Buying clothes is expensive. Go to the thrift store. Don't get ashamed. I still go there to this day. Hey, clothes are clothes, bro. You just gotta put something on your body. I wish we could roam naked on the street, but we can't do that, unfortunately. So you gotta buy some clothes. Yeah, some outfits that I've tried before. Let me know what you think. You can definitely just copy my style, free of plagiarism. And the final one is money. Hey, at this point, to be honest, I can't give you advice on money, because your boy is in the hood himself. Money, get your money up. That's all I can say. I can't tell you 10 ways to become a millionaire in your 20. My ass still eats at the dollar store, bro. But in saying that, if you do subscribe to this channel, you're gonna help me get rich, and then once I get rich, I can help you get rich. So win-win. So sub to this channel. Anyways, hopefully this video helped you. This was a short, quick, but very informative guide on how to stop looking like a freaking jump scare. Please, if you want to look good, listen to what I said, so then you can start looking very good. You can finally get some head.